Hey guys, come with me to Lufasi Park for a fashion shoot.
Yo!
So it's my first time here and these are my fellow models. They were just like vibing to a song and the other ones at the back playing tennis ball. For me, I was just seated, I was just looking at them, seeing them vibe and have fun. So we decided to walk around for a few minutes in the park and we just realized that the park is so big. This is a kung fu training ground, so we decided to go back because we got tired. This is one of my friends eating the fruit he picked, and this is my friend Shalom. She's so beautiful. I and Shalom decided to get ice cream. She got vanilla flavor while I got strawberry flavor.
You know the vibe.
Yeah.
She's a You all don't enter my room.
After enjoying the ice cream, we decided to move out again. So we went to this monkey section. This my friend was trying to like greet the monkey. So I decided to try it out.
And 200 naira.
You guys don't ask me why I was screaming so loud. The monkey was trying to grab me so hard. I had to run, so we went to other side of the park.
On a journey of no return. No return. Yo! Yo, you guys. Guess where we are heading to?
Yeah, we're going to Disney Island.
Disney what? You guys don't mind this, my friend.
Carry camera, come.
Zoom out.
They do things.
Give me one
They do things.
No
be movie, you camera no there. They do things.
You almost fall.
Now video you did. Yo. Now picture you did. I've been amigo.
This one na amigo.
Good.
So at this point, we had to go back to start the fashion shoot.
That's crazy. Crazy.
And she like yellow.
Yo, I love yellow.
So they picked out green with a touch of yellow because they know that I love yellow so bad. I love yellow so much. So this will be my top for this shoot. I can't wait to try it on. So these are the camera settings. Everybody are done dressing up. This is me trying this cap on to see if it goes well with my outfit. And yes, it did. And also a tote bag. I know you can't wait to see my full outfit. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why the cameraman didn't like capture the full outfit though, but it's still coming in. Yeah. So you guys watch the rest.
Snap picture with them.
So this is our full outfit. So everybody's looking lit and so handsome, beautiful. Let's get to work. So we went to the other side of the park and saw this big river. I don't know if it's just a river or stream though. I had to do this trending challenge, anxiety, with my fellow models. It's my anxiety. Oh, anxiety. Oh, anxiety. This is where my full outfit comes in. See the way my pants is glittering. I love it so much.
Yeah.
You guys, so we are walking down to the other exit.
Yeah. We're going to do some greatness.
Yeah.
I'll see this stream, this river. What is this?
Yo, this, I don't know, it's like a small river.
We did a lot of creativity here. I couldn't capture all because I was participating. So we are coming to the end of the vlog. So thank you guys for watching. Share, like, comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.